the fuck? I need to have just an alarm just to remind me of something in 45 minutes from now. And then they want me to install this app that's like, I don't know, like 24 megabytes. Phew. And it probably has ads and in-app purchases and all that shit. So I'm like, what the fuck? I don't want to do that. So this is my solution. So wait one. I think it's wait. Sleep one? Yeah, sleep one. Sleep one. So sleep 3600 would be an hour. So like 2700, is that 45 minutes, I guess? So, and then say you need to go. Okay, so this is a kind of a personal reminder that in 45 minutes I need to go somewhere. And that's it. That's my reminder. So I don't need to install that stupid app. I love this programming thing.